The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Chilton County, southeastern Shelby County, northwestern Coosa County until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Plicker, or 15 miles southwest of Clanton, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Lomax, Jemison, Gap of the Mountain, Thorsby, Shelby Shores, Waxahachie Creek, Highway 145 and Creek 46, Clanton, Weoguska, Paint Creek, Strickland Crossroads, I-65 Rest Area, Kelly Branch, Lay Lake Dam, Unity, Marble Valley, Shelby, Spring Creek, Lay Lake, and Stewartville. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Chilton, Coosa, and Shelby.
Thomas, what are you doing here?
Ishmael, it's time to go home.
I can't go home now. This is the 10th frame, and if he makes this, he's going to win $1 million, and we can save the farm, and I have a half a beer left, and there's no way I'm going home over my dead body.
It's time to go home now.
Okay.